When you have no shower options, you wash your hair in the sink and you use baby wipes. So apparently Starbucks has decided to close all of their internal cafes at all their locations across the entire country, which is incredibly inconvenient because that was my primary way of doing my work throughout the day. I'm in a place where the only Starbucks in town doesn't have patio seating and the inside is closed, so I have to drive pretty damn far to go find an actual Starbucks with a patio to sit on. Anyway, this is loads of fun. Van life. And sometimes a lot of van life is just driving long distances after the sun has gone down.